You just need to follow basic instructions and you'll be able to make up to $50 per video in just a few steps. How cool is that? Plus, if you enjoy taking photographs or videos, today is your day. What more if I say that you'll get paid for simply capturing photos or videos of your everyday activities? And you don't even have to worry. Being a professional photographer isn't required. This doesn't even require images of people or objects that you see or are readily available to you. Yes, you heard that right. Hello, I'm your cash flow girl. Welcome to my channel where I teach you easy ways to get your cash flowing. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and click on the notification bell to keep you updated on our new uploads. Let's get this money making started. Before we go to the website, you'll need to create your own PayPal account. So go to paypal.com and sign up for a completely free account by clicking this button here. Simply supply the necessary information and log into your PayPal account. You may also set up your own bank account online if you don't want to opt for that option. You can look for online bank account in my country on the internet and open an entirely free account at any reputable internet banking site. So, first of all, Appen is the website that would help us earn our bags. Appen allows you to take photographs or videos. They gather and categorize pictures, text, voice, audio, and video data in order to create and continually enhance the world's most cutting-edge artificial intelligence systems. This is essentially a micro-freelancing business that provides part-time flexible tasks everyone can do everywhere. Simply visit appen.com/jobs with your computer or smartphone to get there. You may go directly to the part-time flexible jobs page by going to access appen.com/jobs on your computer or phone. The first is projects, which involve a greater amount of time needed for completion, but larger and better pay. Second, microtasks are small jobs that you can do almost immediately, such as brief postings on social media sites, transcription work, and other tiny activities that pay more quickly. Image annotation tasks, which need you to draw simple boxes on photos, are also part of this category. Finally, Appen provides simple activities on your mobile devices, such as surveys and sound recordings, to collect data and conduct research. If you want to fill your time with something productive, especially if you're new to the working world, or just love taking part-time jobs to make extra money, these 3 Appen work classifications are ideal for you. However, if you want to work on this website, there are a few requirements that must be satisfied, such as having an internet connection, a smartphone or computer, and either a Pioneer or PayPal account for your paid transfers. Appen micro-freelancers are also required to be at least 18 years old, so you can certainly get started with Appen if you meet all of those simple criteria. They never run out of things to do, and they email you for any available work almost on a daily basis once you join up with them. It's critical to note that they never run out of things for you to complete and that they constantly email you regarding any job available. It appears to be a fantastic opportunity, doesn't it? Simply go to appen.com/jobs to begin the sign-up process. It's really simple to sign up. Simply click the apply button, provide some basic information, and wait for the confirmation link to arrive in your email inbox. When you go to Appen in the app and log in, you'll see a job opportunity called Video Data Collection or Photo Data Collection on your app and dashboard. This position may not be accessible as we speak, but I assure you of many more similar video projects like this that will always be available, along with other freelance jobs that pay you from $1 to $25 per hour. However, when you do come across this sort of project, you should go ahead and apply for it right now. A lot of individuals frequently apply for this opportunity since it is simple to complete and, more importantly, pay well. So, in these types of projects, you'll usually be expected to submit images or videos of families doing particular activities or videos of specific items. You can submit 1 video up to 7 videos per project, and your films and photos must meet the project's requirements. They must be between 1 and 2 minutes long. That's all there is to it, right? Not exactly. Imagine earning $6 or more for filming short films of commonplace activities such as cooking, gardening, or treasured family memories. I'll quickly go through the basic procedure of how these projects operate in a moment. Are you enjoying this video so far? Give us a thumbs up and interact with us and other like-minded moneymakers in our comment section below. Okay, so if your videos and photos meet quality standards and assurance measures, the project will notify you to really take clear and high-definition pictures as much as possible, making your videos worth their money. They are going to pay you because you may submit up to 7 videos from each distinct category. It would be extremely beneficial if you could take more photos in order to increase your chances of earning better wage. So, as soon as you press the apply button for a video or photograph collection project, you'll see a language selection tab that allows you to opt for your local tongue or any language you're comfortable with. That's right! Appen is very inclusive and provides projects that are accessible worldwide so that all freelancers may apply for them. You will be directed to the project fill-up form after choosing your own preferred language. Fill out the following required and basic information about yourself. After you've finished, you'll need to submit a data collection consent and release form, which is essentially the project's fine print. After that, Appen will notify you if you have been offered the position. So just check your email notifications on a regular basis since you may miss out on simple job opportunities. Don't worry if it takes too long to receive an update. Appen Limited only has 3 business days to evaluate your application. Finally, we'll discuss how you'll be compensated for your app and projects in your dashboard. Simply go to My Invoices. There, you may view your personal payment status, the project duration, time worked, and pay rate per task. This is also apparent. Appen will send you a post-dated check for the amount of your current payment when it's received. To get paid within 30 days from the active invoice using their Pioneer or PayPal account, simply provide them with your bank account and routing number. And that is how you squeeze your creative juices and earn money with it, all at once. For my #1 recommendation on how to make money on YouTube, check out the link in the description box below. It has been nice to be your guide for this video. If you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel, ring your notification bell, and get your cash flowing through me, your cash flow girl. See you in the next one.